it's like a community glue for us. Like we really, the Weskus Krewe is part of what we, how you and I have came to work together. Essentially, half of our team is on social grants and they live in areas that are basically, it's not that it's underdeveloped, but there's no real culture post South African politics in the born free generation. So we are not being made to go to war. So for a young able body, we've got a lot of able bodied youth that just do nothing after school because there's no need to be better. And surfing is one of those things that replaces the gangster culture because you can, instead of pointing, making yourself known by hurting other people, you're making yourself known by sacrificing yourself in the ocean in front of other people. So it's like an inverted gang that we have. But the difference is we can have quadriplegics, paraplegics, Down syndrome, everyone with all of our youth grommets. So essentially, that's pretty much the same thing that we are both into for dapper surfing is on those margins on why does this magic energize everyone in this particular way.
That's it. Yeah. From it doesn't matter where you are, who you are.
Yeah.
It will humble you in
Yes.
that way. You're out. You're in the water and
Humble and
and
wise you up.
yeah. And you know something that I have noticed from this event as well, which is you know I fully support as well as the inclusive nature of it. I think there's a lot of competition that is separated, um, and I think this being an event where you're in and everybody can be involved, and I think that is a way forward as well.
Yeah.
Instead of making it completely separate,
Yeah.
things.
So we realize there's a difference between merit and narrative.
Mm.
And with the social media era, with all the pictures, you can like take a picture and frame it any way you want and create a narrative around a picture that's completely removed from reality. And I think surfing is also one of those things that completely roots you into reality because once you get bailed, it's not it's not like you're gonna forget that. Especially if someone witnessed and said, "Oh wow, that bailed, but you didn't die. That was cool." It's like it encourages you to go back and put yourself out there, away from the screens, away from the narrative, and go and test your merit to
Yeah.
see if it's there.
Yeah.
And for myself as a disabled person who used to be a rugby player that used to be on the pinnacle of performance, my ego had to be. Surfing is the only thing that gave me that satisfaction of, yeah, I still got it. You know, that makes me want to flex my muscles.